Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. This post is regarding the study protocol of a human study titled Impact of Coconut and Palm Oil on Cardiometabolic Risk Factors. Cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death and disability in Sri Lanka. While the risk factors for cardiovascular diseases are multifactorial, fat in the diet plays a key role in both the incidence and severity of cardiovascular disease. Though coconut and palm oils are the primary dietary saturated fat sources among Sri Lankans, data on the effects of coconut oil or palm oil as a replacement oil is limited, and this lack of evidence hinders the ability to provide clear guidance at a public health level. And the comparison of the effect of coconut oil and palm oil on cardiovascular disease risk had not been clinically studied to date in a real-world setting. Therefore, the present study aimed to bridge this important gap in scientific knowledge. The study will be conducted as a sequential feed-in clinical trial. The study has been approved by the Ethics Review Committee and Clinical Trial Registry. A total of 40 healthy adults more than 18 years old and both male and female from the general community will be recruited. As shown in the figure 1, the study will be divided into two feed-in periods of 8 weeks each for coconut oil and palm oil. Participants will be provided the first test oil for the first feed-in period, and then the second test oil will be continued for another 8 weeks, keeping 4 weeks of washout period in between. The anthropometric and biochemical investigation will be done at the beginning and end of each feed-in periods. The primary outcome index will be the difference of the change in serum low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. Secondary outcome measures include difference of the change in total cholesterol, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, total cholesterol to high-density lipoprotein cholesterol ratio, triglycerides, very low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, fasting plasma glucose, liver enzymes, anthropometry, and blood pressure. Dietary and physical activity habits will be assessed as confounding variables. The expected outcome of the study is an improved understanding of the differences in cardiometabolic risk factors between the consumption of coconut oil and palm oil. To our knowledge, this is one of the first clinical trials evaluating the effects of coconut oil versus palm oil on cardiometabolic health in Sri Lanka. So we hope this study will provide the necessary groundwork for future clinical trials assessing the effect of different forms of coconut and palm oil available in the market. Thank you for listening.